Okay, so last time we discussed about addition and subtraction of monomials. So this is what we did last time. Last time is Monday. Okay, wait a minute. Is my voice clear to all of you students? Hello?
Yes.
All right. So with echo or no? No echo?
No.
No. Okay. So this is what we discussed last Monday. So today we are going to start with multiplying and dividing monomials. So this one, let's just have a quick review about addition and subtraction of monomials. So this one is subtraction. Can we answer number 4? This is subtraction of monomials. Just a quick review. We have negative 8 over 5 a squared b cubed minus 7 over 5 a squared b cubed. Who can answer this one? This is just a review. Okay, answer number 4, review.
Yes,
No.
teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 1 over 5
Negative 1 over 5. Is
a raised to
it?
2 and b cubed.
Is it negative 1 over 5? They are both negative,ใช่ไหม
1 over 5
ไม่ใช่
all time เหรอ
ไม่ใช่ times add subtract so they are both negative ใช่ไหม
yes
so negative and then you are going to add 8 over 5 plus 7 over 5. This will be like this. So what is the answer? Okay, I will show you again. This one. If it is negative 8 over 5, a squared b cubed minus 7 over 5, a squared b cubed. We are going to change minus to plus,ใช่ไหม? 8 over 5, a squared b cubed minus will become what? Will become plus.
plus
And then positive 7 over 5 will become
negative 7
okay over 5 a squared b cubed. So there are both negative. So what are you going to do?
negative 15
Yes. So this is negative 15 over 5. What is your variable and exponents?
a square b cubed.
Okay. Can we eliminate negative 15 over 5?
Yes
Yes. What is the final answer?
3
Positive or negative?
negative 3
Okay, negative 3 a
a
squared.
square b cubed.
Very good. Right? Next. Okay, number 5. Can you do number 5, Ramida?
Yes.
Okay.
Negative 15 minus 9
Minus 9. Okay, we can change this one,ใช่ไหม? Minus will become rule of subtraction. Change minus and then change the sign of the subtrahend.
plus
Plus positive 9 will become This is positive 9, ใช่ไหม
yes
So it will become negative
negative 9 plus 9
plus 9. Yes. And then
and x raised to 2y
okay. So what is negative 15 plus negative 9 plus 9?
negative 15
All right. Negative 15 x squared. What? Okay, you understand everybody? This is just a review. Okay, this is a review. So now let's proceed to our next topic, which is about multiplying and dividing monomials. So in adding and subtracting monomials, it should be that the variable, your variable and your exponents should be the same. You cannot add and subtract two or more monomials if they have different variable and different exponent. But in multiplying and dividing monomials, it doesn't matter if you have different exponent. So we are going to deal with the coefficient, the number part, and then the variable. So let's start with multiplication. Okay, let's start with multiplication, the product of monomial by a monomial. So we are going to multiply two monomials. One term only, one term times one term. So we have the rule. Please read the rule. Um, Top, please read the rule in multiplying monomial by a monomial. Top? Hello, Top?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Top. Please read the rule in multiplying monomial by a monomial.
To multiply a monomial by a monomial, multiply the
Coefficients.
coefficients and add the exponent on power with the same
Base.
base.
All right. So, Top, can you give me one monomial? Top, can you give me one monomial?
Um, 2x teacher.
Okay, 2x. And then give me another monomial. Te, Saranrat.
Ah, Domini.
Te, give me another monomial. Hey, hello? Saranrat? Saranrat, hello? Okay, no answer from Saranrat. Pichaya pa, give me another monomial. Pichaya pa. Hello, Pichaya pa? Why are the students not answering? Okay, Ramida, give me one monomial.
3x
3x as well. Okay, so these are example of monomial by monomial. So it says that you are going to multiply the coefficients. Okay, so we are going to multiply the coefficients, the literal coefficients, 2 and 3. Okay, we have 2 and 3, that will be 2 times 3. Okay, again, first step, multiply the coefficients. Remember the word, coefficients, multiply. Copy the variable. You need to copy the variable x. and then add. So add the exponents on powers with the same base. This is not base, the same exponent, I think. Okay, so exponent. What is the exponent in 2x? What is the exponent here of x? Anyone? What is the exponent in our monomial 2x?
1.
1. So that is 1. Plus, since it says add, plus in 3x, what is the exponent?
1.
1 as well. So 1. 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is
2.
2. So first multiply. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3? 6x 2. So that is how you multiply monomial by a monomial. That is just the first example. We have more examples here. Okay, we have negative 3 times 4a. Remember, negative 3 is also a monomial. It has the variable, which is unknown, and then the exponent is 0. So negative 3 is a monomial. 4a is a monomial. So again, first step, multiply the coefficient and copy the variable and add the exponent. So we have negative 3 times 4a. Why is it a? Because negative 3 doesn't have a variable. So it doesn't have a variable, therefore just copy a. All right, what is negative 4 times, negative 3 times 4?
Negative 12.
Okay, so that is negative 12a. That is example 1. Another example, we have 8x times 9y. All right, 8x times 9y. So first, you are going to multiply the coefficients. Again, what are our coefficients? What are our coefficients? Here, our coefficients are negative 3 times 4. How about in number 2? What are our coefficients? Anyone? Anyone, students? Come on, participate in class. What is our coefficients? 8.
8 times 9.
8 times 9. So we have 8 times 9, 8 times y. So why did I multiply this two? Because they are not the same. I did not add the exponents because y is different from x. So if they are not the same, you should not add the exponents. Rather, you just need to multiply them. So what is 8 times 9? What is 8 times 9?
72.
72. What is x times y?
XY.
Yes, so that is the answer, 72xy. Another example. Okay, so we have two variables on each monomial. So we have negative 2x cubed y times negative 5x squared y cubed. So first multiply the coefficients. What are our coefficients? Anyone?
Negative 2 times negative 5.
Very good. Negative 2 times negative 5. So we have here x and x. So again, if we have this same variable on each monomial, you are going to add the exponent. First, multiply this one. X cubed times x cubed. So combine the same variable. The same also with y. You combine y because they are the same. So later, we are going to multiply all together. So negative 2 times negative 5 is equal to what? What is negative 2 times negative 5? Positive 10. So that is positive 10. Next, x cubed times x squared. Remember the rule. You are going to add the exponents on powers with the same variable. Gosh, sorry for this. This is not exponent, but the same. Okay, the same variable. You are going to add the exponents. So x cubed times x squared. What will be the answer? Again, you are adding the exponent. That is x raised to 5. How did I get x raised to 5, student? This one, x raised to 3 plus 2. So that is 5. Do you understand this one?
Yes.
Yes. So how about for y? What is the value of y?
Y raised to 4.
Very good. So therefore, your answer is positive 10, x raised to the 5th power, y raised to the 4th power. For example, we have 3. Okay, there are 3 monomials. Negative 7, 6a raised to the 4th power, b cubed c, and negative 3a b cubed c raised to the 5th power. So we have 3 monomials. So therefore, we also have 3 numerical coefficients to multiply. What are these numerical coefficients? Can you give me the answer, Patalawan?
Negative 7 times 6 times negative 3.
Very good. Next, for A, can you give me the next step for A? Wait a minute. Dalawan. Priyanuj. Priyanuj. Ano? Pimunwan. Pimunwan. Hello, Pimunwan? Okay. No answer from Timon 1. So we have a raised to 4, right? A raised to 4 and a. So we are just going to combine this two. So a raised to 4 times a. The same also with b. So we have b cubed times b cubed. A b cubed times b cubed. And the same also with c. So we have c here and then c raised to the 5th power. So there are only 2 variables on each group here. Why? Because our third monomial here, negative 7, it doesn't have a variable or variables. So therefore, we have only 2. So now let's proceed to multiplying the coefficients. What is negative 7 times 6 times negative 3? What is negative 7 times positive 6 times negative 3? Give me the answer. Who can give me the answer? Anybody?
126.
126. Let's see if you are correct. Correct. Very good. How about for A? What is the product of A raised to the 4th power times A?
A raised to 5.
A raised to the 5th power. How about for B?
B raised to 6.
B raised to the 6th power. How about for C?
C raised to 6.
Okay, C raised to the 6th power. So that is the final answer. Do you understand how to multiply a monomial by a monomial? Everybody, do you understand? Do you have any question? If you don't understand, please tell me so that we can explain more. Do you understand monomial by a monomial? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, all right. So let's proceed to monomial by a polynomial. So monomial again, it consists of only one term. Okay, again, when we say monomial, it consists of only one term. However, when we say polynomial, it consists of two or more terms. Okay, two or more term. It is separated by plus or minus sign. So that is polynomial. For example, we have 3x. This is a monomial. And a polynomial can be, for example, 5x plus 2. This is a polynomial because it consists of how many terms? Two terms. It is separated by plus sign. So two terms, that is polynomial. Also, for example, 2x squared plus 3x plus 2. For example, like this. How many terms does it have? 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 terms. So we consider it as a polynomial. So this is our next topic about multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So we have the rule as well. Please read the rule in multiplying monomial by a polynomial. Okay. Nantarat. Hello, Nantarat. Nantarat, hello. Hello, Nantarat. Are you there?
นันทรัตน์อยู่ไหมคะ นันทรัตน์1 2 3 no teacher
But earlier, Ka, I checked their attendance. They are here, Ka. Okay. Who else?
ชัดกมลอยู่ไหมเนี่ย
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Please read. Please read the rule in multiplying monomial by a polynomial.
To multiply by polynomial,
Oh,
multiply
sorry.
each
Wait a
term.
minute, Ka. To multiply a monomial,
To multiply a monomial by a polynomial, multiply each term of the polynomial by the monomial using distributive property.
all right. So, do you know distributive property? Are you familiar with distributive property? Yes or no? No? Okay, so I will explain to you what is distributive property. So, for example, we have 5. This is the monomial that we have, 5. And then we have the polynomial 3x plus 9, 2 terms. So when we say distributive property, we are going to multiply this monomial to the first term, which is 3x. And then copy the sign, plus, and then multiply again the monomial to our second term. That is what we call distributive property. You are distributing the monomial or the number outside the parentheses to all the numbers inside. So this will be like this. 5 times 3x. So this is 5 times 3x. Copy the sign, which is plus, and then multiply again 5 times 9. This is what we call distributive property. You are distributing the number outside to all the numbers and variables inside. Okay, do you understand distributive property? Students, do you understand distributive property? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so if you understand distributive property, again, you are just multiplying the monomial outside to all the terms of the polynomial. So let's multiply. What is 5 times 3x?
15.
Okay, so that is 15x. Copy the sign. Plus, what is 5 times 9?
45.
45.
5. So this is your final answer. Do you understand number 1?
Yes.
All right. Next, number 2. We have 3a times negative 7a cubed plus 4b. So we have again two terms inside the parentheses. So you are going to multiply 3a to the first term. What will it be? What will it be?
3a times negative 7a raised to 3.
Very good. Okay. Next, what will be the sign?
Plus 3a
Plus.
times 4b.
Very good. Okay, next. You multiply 3a times negative 7a cubed. What is the answer?
Negative 21. A raised to 4.
Very good. What will be our symbol?
Plus
Plus 3a times 4b.
plus 12ab.
Very good. Plus 12ab. So this is your final answer. Do you understand number 2?
Yes.
All right. We have number 3. Example number 3. So we have negative 6a squared b times the polynomial 5a cubed b raised to the 5th power plus 4a squared b raised to the 4th power minus 3ab cubed. Okay, there are how many terms does our polynomial have? How many terms?
3.
3 terms. Okay, so meaning you are going to multiply your monomial to all these terms. So first, what is our first step? Anybody? Just tell me the answer. Negative.
Negative 6a raised to 2b times 5a raised to 3b raised to 5.
All right, next. What will be our symbol? Plus or minus?
Plus
Okay, plus, because our first symbol here is plus. So plus. Next.
negative 6a raised to 2b times 4a raised to 2b raised to 4.
All right, very good. Next, what will be our symbol? What will be our symbol? Plus or minus? Anybody? What will be our symbol? Plus or minus?
Plus
Okay, you need to look at the symbol here we use in our polynomial.
minus
Minus. Okay, because this is minus. Okay, so minus, multiply again. Negative 6a squared b times what? Times
3ab
3a.
raised to 3.
Okay, give me the final answer for the first term. Negative 6a squared b times 5a cubed b raised to the 5th power. What is the answer? First term. Negative 6 times 5.
Negative 30.
Negative 30. A what?
A raised to 5, B raised to
B.
6.
Very good. Next, copy the symbol plus. Negative 6 times 4. Negative 6 times 4.
Negative 24.
Okay. So again, this is plus and this is negative 24. Try my. So plus times negative or positive times negative is negative. That is why I put minus because plus times negative 6 times 4, which is negative 24, positive times negative is negative. So that is why minus. And then write 24, A raised to the 4th power, B raised to the 5th power. Next, what is negative 6 times negative 3? What is negative 6 times negative 3?
18.
18. Positive 18. So negative times positive 18. What will be our symbol here? Plus or minus? What will be our symbol? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Wait,
Minus.
this is, okay, minus because this is minus times positive 18, right? So we did not multiply this one. This is positive. Negative times positive still, that is negative. Sorry for that. This is minus, okay? Minus 18. What is the value of your A? The exponent, I mean.
A raised to 3.
Raised to 3. How about for B?
B raised to 4.
Raised to 4. Okay, so that is 3 examples of multiplying monomial by a polynomial. Do you understand? Do you understand, students?
Yes.
No question. Do you have any question?
มีคำถามอะไรไหมคะลูกสงสัยอะไรไหมแบบสงสัยตรงไหนที่ทีเชอร์สอนแล้วไม่เข้าใจอยากให้อธิบายเพิ่มไหมคะพอดีเข้ามาช้านิดนึงวันนี้มีอะไรสงสัยไหมคะทักหนึ่ง
ไม่เลยครับ
สงสัยตรงไหนไหมคะอันนี้เป็นเรื่องโอ้เดี๋ยวนะโทรศัพท์เข้ามีอะไรสงสัยตรงไหนไหม
ครับ
ไม่มี
No.
ครับ
All right. So if you have no question, let's try to answer this one. Okay, I will ask one student at a time. Number 1, let's start with number 1. Who is number 1? Talk. Okay, number 1, talk. Talk. Hello.
เบอร์ 1 เหรอที่เชื่อ
Yes, ha. 4 times 5x is?
20x.
Very good. So this is 20x. How did we get 20x? 4 times 5x is equal to 20x. Very good. Next, number 2. Oh, Muchi cannot open his mic, Chamai.
สลัลักแคนที่เชื่อสลัลักแคน
10. Okay, but we have number 3 first. Boss. Answer number 2.
ได้เท่าไหร่ลูก
ลบ AB
Negative.
negative AB
Negative AB. Negative A.
negative A คูณแล้วคูณ
ถามค่ะ
ทำ B
ไหนดูก่อนถูกป่ะ
AB ทำ B
ฮะ
negative AB
A เอาใหม่ใจเย็นๆยศพลเอา
exponent
ใหม่
ค่ะ
ฐานเหมือนกันคูณกันจับเลขชี้กำลังมาทำอะไรกัน
ทาง
เอาตอบครูเป็นภาษาไทยก่อนใจเย็นๆฐานเหมือนกันคูณกันจับเลขชี้กำลังมาทำอะไรกัน มาบวกมาลบมาคูณมาหาร
คูณครับ
เหรอคะเคยสอนเหรอ a ยกกำลังหนึ่งคูณ a ยกกำลังหนึ่งคือจับเลขชี้กำลังมาทำอะไรกัน
บวก
บวกกัน1 บวก 1ได้เท่าไหร่คะ 2ตอบที่เชื่อเป็นภาษาอังกฤษค่ะ
negative ab
a ยกกำลัง2อ่ะ
a
เท่า
อ่า
a raise to อะไร2อ่ะภาษาอังกฤษคือ
2
Okay. B. How about B?
b
Raised to?
2
Okay, raised to 2 as well. Okay, so we have 2a here. The exponents are 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. The same with b. 1 plus 1 is 2. So your final answer is negative a squared b squared. Okay, boss, understood number 2?
okay
Again, Pat?
okay
Okay, very good. Next, number 3 will be answered by Saranra. Saranra. Okay, so what is 11x times 5xy?
55 เหรอ
Oh, yes, 55. How about for x?
y
We have 2x here. X times x.
x
You add, ใช่ไหม 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1.
2
2. So this is 55x squared. Okay? X squared. Y. How about Y?
y
Y.
Oh.
So copy Y. Okay. Do you understand this one? Okay.
yes
X
teacher
squared. All right. Next, number 4, Tong. Number 4, answer Tong. Tong. Hello, Tong. Number 5 on the list, Tong, you answer number 4.
กมลวันอยู่ไหมกมลวัน
Sorry.
ไม่อยู่คลิกเอาท์นะคะ
Okay. Next,
Yes, teacher.
Okay, answer number 4, Read first, read.
Negative 3m raised to 2 times negative 5m raised to 4 is equal to negative 3 times negative 5.
Okay, negative 3 times, oh,ไม่ใช่ negative 5. Okay,
m raised to 2 plus 4
okay.
is equal to negative 15 m raised to 6.
Oh, wait. Negative times negative.
15
Okay, 15.
m raised to 6.
All right. Very good. Next, number 5 will be answered by Pichayapa.
อยู่ไหมคะพิชยาภา
Yes.
Okay, Pichayapa, please read and then answer ka. Negative 2ab.
Negative 2ab
Times.
times 6 raised to 2b.
Okay, is equal to is equal to what?
negative 4
ไม่ใช่คูณค่ะ times
negative 12
okay negative 12 how did you get negative 12? How did you get negative 12? This is negative 2 times
6
all right next for A for A what is the exponent of A here?
1
1 plus
2
2 so that is A raised to what?
k raised to 3
Yes next how about for B what is the exponent here?
1
1 plus
1
1 so what will be the exponent of our B?
b raised to 2
Okay, b raised to 2 or b squared. Okay, next. Okay, by a polynomial. Monomial by a polynomial. Number 1, Pimon 1. Number 1, Pimon 1. Pimon 1, are you here? Okay, number 1, Patalawan.
พี่มนต์วันไม่อยู่เหรอ
Patalawan, please answer number 1.
yes 7 times 3 x
Okay.
minus
Minus.
7 times 5
All right. So this is equal to
is equal to 21x
21x
minus negative 33 35
okay, no need to say negative, okay? Minus because 7 times 5 is 35. It is not negative, only 35 or positive 35. Okay? Next, number 2 will be answered by Akira. Akira. Akira, hello?
นักกีฬาอยู่ไหมคะ 1 2 3
Nantarat? Nantarat? No?
นันทรัตน์อยู่ไหมคะ 1 2 3
Ramida.
Yes,
Okay, answer number 2 ka.
a raised to 3 times a raised to 2
Okay.
minus 3 a raised to 3 times 3b
Okay. So this is equal to
equal to a raised to 5 minus 3 a raised to 3b.
very good. Okay. Next, number 3. Go back to top.
Excuse me
Top.
teacher
Top.
today พิมพ์ชนก present
Absent. Ah?
present
Pimchano is-
present
Oh, okay. Pimchano.
นันทรัตน์กับพี่มนต์วันครูไม่เข้าใจเลยว่าทำไมถึงไม่ตอบอะไรเลย คือเปิดไมค์ไม่ได้พิมพ์ช่องแชทบอกสักนิดนึงนะคะแม่ครูจะไม่เช็คชื่อให้นะคะลูกพิมพ์ชนกตอบคำถามทีเชอร์ข้อนี้ค่ะ อยู่ไหมคะ
Pimchano.
ผู้ขานันทรัตน์เขากำลังพิมพ์แต่ว่าครูเตะก่อนนะคะ
เอาเตะก่อนไหนลองทักทายมาในช่องแชทสิหนูกำลังพิมพ์เหรอและไอ้ล่ะลูกไม่เคยตอบทีเชอร์เลยสักนิดนึงเฮ้ยทีเชอร์about 10 minute time up
Oh. Oh, yes.
yes
Okay. So we will just answer this next meeting, but expect that I am going to